Today we will show you how to create a standing grainy background and sell them on Adobe Stock for passive income. Go to the layer panel, click on the adjustment layer, click gradient, select your favorite gradient color, click on create new layer, go to the window, click on swatches, select the brush tool from the toolbar. Now take color and brush it on new layer. Go to filter menu, go to blur, select Gaussian blur, increase the Gaussian blur 401 pixel. Go to the filter menu, then noise, select add noise, select Gaussian, increase amount 57%. Our grainy background is ready. Now open Adobe Stock, click upload, open the design, add relevant title and description. Thanks for watching the video.